Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the business trend and newspaper headlines. So, first of all, US firm accuses Adani of share rigging fraud. Next, Adani Group's M cap erodes by rupees 86,000 crore. Next, stock slide in run up to Fed meets budget. Next, Tata Motors turns profitable after 7 quarters in quarter 3. Next, G20 presidency an opportunity to promote democracy. Murmu. Next, PSB's insurers drive India's first green bond auction. Next, Google starts complying with CCI directive. Next, on page number 4, in that company section, under that, rupees 4,670 crore windfall, women's IPL hits it for a 6. Next, have not got any new payment plan for from VI Industrial Tower. Next, share chats, two co-founders step down from active roles. Next, happiest mind to acquire IT firms MSI for rupees 111 crore. Next, Biani resigns as executive chairman of Future Retail. Next, Bajaj Auto's marginal profit growth rides on strong domestic demand. Next, DLF's profit up 37%, revenue falls to rupees 1.5 thousand crore. Next, Cipla's profit up 10%, USC's best quarterly sales. Next, DRL PAT up 77% at rupees 1,247 crore. Next, Torrent Pharma quarter 3 PAT up 14%. Next, from packaged food items to hotel menu, ITC Gung Ho on millets. On page number 6 in Economy and Public Affairs section, under that, Lancet COVID Shield booster offers best immune response. Next, rising data cost concern made why will reach out to try minister. Next, Indian banks quarter 3 net profit surges 102% to rupees 1,396 crore. Next, 89% retail traders in equity F&O show losses in FY22 SEBI study. Next, students detained over BBC documentary protest in Jamia. Next, new norms airlines to reimburse passengers for ticket downgrades. Next, Arun Singh now also ONGC CEO. Next, tax cut OPS restoration on citizens budget wish list. Next, education tax want lower taxes funding soap. Next, one in every year for Indians concerned about threat of layoff survey. Next, remembering the architect who strove to build timelessness. On page number 8 in economy section, under that, PSB's insurers likely drove India's first green bond auction. Next, power min for tax paid green bond issuance. Next, center to sell 3 MT of wheat in open market to control serving prices. Next, RBI floats paper on regulatory purview. Next, credit card spends across rupees 1 trillion for 10th month in a row. Next, UN cuts India's 2023 growth forecast to 5.8%. Next, Tata Motors. Next, Adani's. On page number 9 in politics and public affairs section, under that, constitution withstood best of time president. Next, Padma awards for K.M. Birla, Jhunjhunwala, Sudha Murthy. Next, India Egypt discuss cascading impact of Russia-Ukraine war. On page number 13 in that two text section, under that, how GDP forecast get revised in 3 years. Next, telcos bag 20 MN 5G customers in less than 4 months. On page number 14 in that world section, Washington Post fires 20, shuts gaming section. Next, Boeing reports quarter 4 loss, high costs foil recovery. Next, AT&T beats expectations on subscriber additions. Next, Walmart to rise starting hourly wages to $14. Next, Tesla to invest $3.6 billion in Nevada complex. Next, Biden urges assault arms ban after mass shootings. Next, Broadcom VMware deal, Britain begins probe. Next, UK plans to cut post-study student visa stay. Next, Germany to send tanks to Ukraine, US to follow. Next, Microsoft cloud disruptions hits user worldwide. Next, cloud biz keeps profit flowing in tougher times. Next, Pakistan crisis, cut in number of federal ministers, government staff pay on cards. Next, Murdoch retracts on plan to merge media empire. On page number 15 in business in opinion section under that, another China syndrome. Next, need a balanced approach. Next, model mistakes. Next, the Supreme Court's supremacy. Next, 3 points for the budget. Next, in page number in page number 20, in that Android users can now pick default search engine Google. On page number 21, the smart investor section under that, stock slide on volatile day in run up to budget. Next, Adani Group mid cap erodes by $10.5 billion after report of Brazilian fraud. Next, Adani Enterprises allots rupees 5,985 crore worth of shares to anchor investors. Next, fall in Adani Group stocks, good opportunity to buy, say analyst. Next, more safeguards for F&O trades on the anvil. Next, near-term gains unlikely for Colgate after week quarter 3. Next, on page number 22 in company section under that, Air India under Tata's 1 year on. Next, PhonePe investors paid rupees 8,000 crore tax to move to India CEO. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.